Sawadee-ka, everyone! Today, you will know how to make Thai fresh spring rolls. These spring rolls are filled with a lot of herbs, veggies, and rice noodles. There are many texture and yummy flavor, probably everything you like. And for sure, you don't want to miss the spicy mayonnaise sauce. We will start with the egg. It's really yummy and very pretty in a spring roll. You will see. 3 eggs are enough for 4 spring rolls. Just give them a whisk until all mixed. Into a medium hot pan, I'm going to add some oil. Since we are going to make smooth and flat egg omelette, we will not let the pan starting to be too hot because the bottom part of the egg can be burned and the top part is still like a liquid and not cooked. After pouring all the egg, we will swirl it around in the pan and keep swirling until we get a nice even flat egg omelette. I will not flip it because I want to keep one side a beautiful yellow color. Let the omelette cook on low heat until the bottom part gets a little brown and the top part starting to be firm. You can check by using a finger tap on it, and once the egg didn't stick in your finger, it's cooked. Now we will transfer the flat omelette to a chopping board. And what we are going to do is cut the egg into nice rectangle shapes. We will start by cutting off the 4 edges of the omelette. After that, I'm going to cut this into 4 pieces. And you will have a rectangle egg shape. Now, let's set it aside for roll it later on. For a regular version today, I got some shrimp and I will just simply cook it. By the way, I don't understand why sometimes I heard people say I am vegetarian, but I can eat fish. Did I understand well? Okay, let's add shrimp into the pan. I didn't add any more oil because there is some already from the previous part. I just add a little bit of chili oil, black pepper, and salt. Stir to mix everything well, then transfer it into a plate and set it aside. Now I will show you my favorite dipping sauce. It's very fresh and bright and going very well with this fresh spring roll. We need some garlic, chilies. You can put fewer chilies, but you cannot miss it. And mayonnaise. If you never tried this sauce, please try it. You will be surprised how tasty it is. Well, let's add them into a blender. And for a better flavor, we are going to add lime juice, fish sauce. But if you are vegetarian, use soy sauce instead. Last, add white sugar. Then bring it to blend until everything is smooth and combined well. Trust me, this sauce is so good. The combination flavor of spicy, creamy, salty, sweet, and tangy, it will really freshen up the spring rolls. Now let me show you the main thing that you absolutely need. I've got some fresh Thai sweet basil, some sliced cucumber, some shredded carrot. I've got some fresh mint, and also some salad green as well. If you're not vegetarian, you really want the combination of herbs, protein, and vegetables here. Now, we are ready to assemble. I like to take my rice paper sheet to dip it in warm water for about 2 to 3 seconds. Then, I put it onto a clean towel because this rice paper is very stick to everything. It will stick to the towel too, but at least it's better than stick to the chopping board because when you have to remove it from the board, that can break the rice paper sheet easily. Now, I'm going to get my beautiful butterfly pea and place that on the rice paper sheet. Also, some small Thai basil leaves. Then, we are going to place a piece of omelette, put it on top, and let's start to put some noodles, veggies, and herbs. If you have more yummy ingredients or more edible flowers, don't hesitate to add it. Followed by some salad green. Then fold one side over first and fold another side as well. After that, roll it all the way. Make it tight. And there we go! We got one beautiful spring roll. Inside of this roll is full of yummy and healthy things. Now just keep doing it how you like. Be as creative as you are. You can add avocado, mango, tofu, or feta cheese. It would be absolutely yummy. Comes for the regular version. The same way to fold it, we will just add some meat, that's all. To give you more idea, you can add shredded chicken meat, sliced grilled beef, minced pork, sausage, or even crab stick. Anything you want to eat, just put it in. But don't skip the green things. It cannot be a fresh spring roll without veggies and herbs. It's so important that you have mixed protein and veggies all together in here because you will get a lot of texture and lovely flavors in one bite. And guys, that's it, the most delicious spring rolls with the spicy and creamy dipping sauce. Also, it's very healthy too. Alright, if you like healthy, fresh, herbies and veggies dish, make sure you go check La Bunsen recipe. And if you want to try another version of spring rolls, have a look at this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet for more yummy recipes. And give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you on Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย